screaming. But this motor swap got good freeway speeds though. Montero today. You know, if dude pulls up and buys it, you know, he seems highly interested. I really don't want to sell it, but you know, we got too many personal cars, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it go before I put even more money into it. Might as well let somebody else enjoy it and get a couple dollars. This thing scoot though. I can't lie. Let me turn this AC off. Don't get no more utilitarian than this, man. Mitsubishi Montero. Horny. The handicap place though. So this is the money. 1990 LS Montero, also known as the Mitsubishi Pajero and other parts of the world. So the backstory with this, in the previous video of the Go when I purchased, that was wrecked. I purchased this one to essentially put the front end onto the Go one. You know, after talking to my bodywork guy, I realized it might be a cheaper route to talk to my mechanic about just putting the motor in this one. So that's what I ended up doing. So we started off with an imported, you know, block core. And basically, you know, pulled the old motor out, built this one with all quality parts, put it back in, the original radiator, and now you know, I've decided to sell it. You know, all the plates, all the parts, excuse me. You know, so I got a Mitsubishi timing belt, Mitsubishi timing belt, you know, the Mahle exhaust manifold gasket and intake gasket, you know, the Asin water pump, Asin thermostat, NGK spark plug wires, Timken camshaft seal, Timken crankshaft seal front, Timken crankshaft seal rear, Wix oil filter, Wix air filter, WVE position crank, ventilation valve, WVE oil pressure sender. You know, also got the LUSO, you know, the bolt. So, you know, essentially everything has pretty much been done to this vehicle. You know, all OME, mainly JDM parts for the rebuild. So it should realistically last, you know, with the proper maintenance. At least 200 more thousand miles. It has about 178. When I got it, it was less than this. So I'm not sure, you know, somebody probably just wasn't maintaining it and you know, probably blew the motor. Very low miles. You know, this thing be popping off, but you know, it's pretty all stock. The Gen 2 wheels, you know, pretty basic, man. This is a basic, you know, utilitarian type of vehicle, you know. I'm gonna be sad to see it leave, but it's all right. I'll get another one. I'll build another one. Hopefully, the other one is in 1991. You know, as you know, that's my birth year. How much do y'all think it's worth? How much would y'all pay for it? How much would y'all sell it for, man?